Good afternoon. Today we'll talk about adding some hard-coded links. So let's just have a quick look at Mombog's page, just so you know what I'm talking about. So on this page we have the My Pony Club menu, and on here we have logins, and you can log in as a member. So if a member of the public comes in here and they want to go to the My Pony Club database, they can log in as administrator, as a member. If you're a club administrator, you can log in directly using that link. I probably won't bother putting that on the other website. I think members are very important. Club administrator and event manager, well, they're kind of restricted to your admin, so let's not worry about that. And we'll add in a login for the website. And this allows you to, instead of having to remember the URL to log in, you can actually just log in directly on the website, so that you can administer your website. So let's add those two items. So let me close that one. And you can see here we don't have any My Pony Club pages. So first thing we'll do, we'll add a new page. And of course we have to log in. And we're going to call it My Pony Club. Okay, and the parent page, none specified, and we'll add it to the end. I think we want it on the end, but we can move it around later. Templates, page templates, none specified, just add a page. Okay, My Pony Club. Yep, that's in the right order. So I'm going to make sure that the visibility on this permissions. Okay, at the moment it's not visible to the public, so let's make sure that link is, and update the page. Okay, so next thing we need to do is add our link, and it's very similar to adding a page, except there's a bit of a difference. So the first link we're going to add is a login as a member. So you need a URL. So the way I found the URL is to go to the login for My Pony Club, and it's actually got the login down here. If you go to if you look at members, it's got a URL there. So I'm going to right click there and copy the link address. So I'll just grab the link from members and I right click on it and I copy the link address. And that's given me the URL. So that's on my clipboard. So let's go in here and add a new page. And this page is going to be different. So let's go My Pony Club, and it's a member login. And I'm just going to make sure the page title is the same. And this is different because it's just going to be a link. It's not an actual page. So what I want is to go down here and set this up as a link. Let me find out how that's done, just a moment. Okay, so we want to set this up as a link, and we ignore all of this and scroll down until we get to other settings. So we don't need to change anything else other than this. And in here, there's a link URL. So we want to link to an external resource, and we paste a URL in there, and it's lost it because I copied it. That's okay. Let's go back in here and right click, copy the link address, come back in here and put the URL in here. Okay, we have our URL. I'm going to suggest let's make it open in a new window. That way I would normally set that up, but I'm not going to, because if I do that you won't see it when I actually open it now. So permanently redirect, nope. The other thing I need to do is permissions, and I'm going to make this visible to all users. And page details, I don't need to change anything else in there. So what I'm expecting to see now, and you can see there I've messed it up a little bit, is it should go to the member login, and it has. This is where you log in as a member. But I made a mistake, and what I need to do is to fix that mistake, because what I've done is I should have made the parent page My Pony Club. So let's do that now. So what we need to do is go into page management. There's a couple of ways we get to that, and if I go, where is it? Admin. All right, I've clicked on the admin menu, but you can just click here, page management. It's also listed here when you go to the full admin page, page management. And this lists all of the pages on your website and shows you the hierarchy. So this is quite a useful thing. So you notice here I've got the My Pony Club item, but I've accidentally put this in the wrong location, the My Pony Club member login. So let's fix that up. So what I need to do is we'll go through this. The permissions were all okay. The modules, there are no modules on that one. There's no HTML. And let's find where you set. Okay. Okay, it's actually really simple. And this page management thing is actually really cool. Let me close all this down, collapse all. Don't need to touch any of those things. But let's go in here, and you just click on it and drag it on top of My Pony Club. That's the menu I want it to appear under. We've got the hierarchy correct now. This page is really cool because you can go to any page on your website and make changes to it. So let's, as an example, let's go and look at the club news, and we'll see what modules we've actually got on this page. And it should be DNN News, Easy DNN News. So we can see the modules there, and you can delete them, I believe. So if you've comes up with an error, you can clean that up. But anyway, the key thing I wanted to show you here is with page management, you can change the hierarchy of your website so that it looks like. And you have to click update page, I think. Okay, so that it looks like this. So let's go to home, and we now have My Pony Club with a My Pony Club member login. And when you click on that, the member of the general public can go in there and log in as themselves. So that's how you add that item, and we want to add one more. And for this one, we want to add the login to the website, just to make it easier so that you can log in. So we're going to add a new page, and we're going to do website admin login. Website admin login and parent page. This time I won't make that mistake again. So I want the parent page. This has to appear under. Oops, let me scroll down. There we go. My Pony Club. Okay, that's the parent page. Excellent. So now we need to actually put the URL in. And again, scroll all the way down, and the URL linked to an external resource. And let's get the URL. So I'm going to cheat a little bit and I'm going to type it in just to get the Pony Vic, and it had login here. That was it. So I'm just copying that. So it's this is the same URL you will get when your email comes through, but it's got login.aspx on the end. We're going to make this much easier to get to. So let's copy it and go here and paste it. Okay, and let's add that page. Excellent. Let's see what happens now. So we've got My Pony Club, website, admin login. And when we go there, it should ask me to log in, and it does. Okay. Oh, oops. So I've actually put the wrong URL in here. So, so when I try and log in, it's giving me an error because I put the Mombolks Pony Club webpage URL in there. So let me go back and we'll fix that. So we'll go back, keep going back, and there we go. So, yep, oops. All right, so let's edit this page. Let's go to page management. Did I say that setting this web page up is this system up's a little bit of a trial and error sometimes, mainly errors on my part. So let's go to page management. We can fix it all up from there. Admin. There we go. And we have to log in and Stuart. All right, so going to page management, and we'll go to that one, and we want to change the link. So down there it shows you the link, and what did I do? Oh yes, it says Mombolk. It should say Southern Peninsula. Okay. All right, so let's see if this works. So go home, My Pony Club website admin login. And it worked because it's already logged in. Okay, so that gets us to the end of that. So in this video, what I showed you was how to add this page here, which contains the logins to My Pony Club database and also the website admin login. That's